Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the background color and overall color scheme of your Shopify store. Whether you're updating your brand look or just want to make your site more visually appealing, this process is super simple. First, if you don't already have a Shopify account, you'll need to sign up for one. It's free to start, and once you're registered, just log in using your email and password to access your online store. After logging in, head to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you'll find all the themes available for your store. Choose the theme you want to customize. Then click Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for theme settings, usually located at the bottom left corner of the panel. Click on it, and then select Colors. You'll now see a list of all the color options for your theme, including background, text, buttons, and more. You can adjust each color individually to match your brand style or personal preference. If you want to change the background color of a specific section, navigate to that section within the editor. Open it, and you'll see an option labeled Color Scheme or Background Color, depending on your theme. Click on it and choose the color you set earlier, or pick a new one from the palette. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. And that's it. You've just updated the background color and customized your Shopify color scheme to give your store a fresh new look. Thanks for watching. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to check out the rest of my Shopify videos for more quick and easy store design tips.